Did you know that orange peels contain a potent natural cleaner that can rival many commercial products? This vibrant, often discarded byproduct of one of the world's most popular fruits holds surprising power in its zesty skin. While most people think of oranges merely as a delicious snack or a refreshing juice, the peels are a treasure trove of cleaning potential, brimming with natural oils and antibacterial properties. As more individuals seek alternatives to traditional cleaning agents, the humble orange peel stands out as an eco-friendly, effective solution. Opting for natural cleaning solutions like orange peels comes with a plethora of advantages. For one, they are safe for both the environment and human health. Traditional cleaners are often laden with harsh chemicals, substances that can irritate the skin, affect respiratory health, and contribute to indoor air pollution. Many of these chemicals end up in our waterways, harming aquatic life and polluting ecosystems. In contrast, orange peels are biodegradable and non-toxic, making them a sustainable choice that doesn't compromise our health or the planet. What makes orange peels so effective as a cleaning agent? The answer lies in their unique composition. Orange peels are rich in D-limonene, an essential oil known for its powerful degreasing and antibacterial properties. D-limonene not only helps break down grease and grime, but also acts as a natural solvent, making it easier to lift stuck-on dirt from surfaces. Furthermore, the pleasant citrus scent that accompanies orange peels can freshen up spaces, leaving a lingering aroma that is far more inviting than the chemical fragrances of many commercial cleaners. Common issues associated with conventional cleaners extend beyond their chemical content. Many cleaning products are packaged in plastic bottles, contributing to the growing problem of plastic waste. The production and disposal of these products often involve significant environmental costs, from the extraction of raw materials to manufacturing processes that emit greenhouse gases. By using orange peels, we can reduce our reliance on these products and minimize our ecological footprint. Not only are we cleaning our homes, but we are also engaging in a more sustainable practice that respects the planet. There are various ways to harness the cleaning power of orange peels. One popular method is to create an orange peel-infused vinegar cleaner. To make this, simply fill a jar with fresh orange peels and cover them with white vinegar. Allow the mixture to sit for a couple of weeks, shaking it occasionally to help infuse the oils. After 2 weeks, strain out the peels, and you'll have a potent, all-natural cleaner that can tackle a variety of surfaces, from countertops to bathroom tiles. The acidity of the vinegar, combined with the D-limonene from the peels, creates a powerful cleaning solution that cuts through grease and disinfects. Another method involves using fresh orange peels directly. Rubbing the inner side of a peel on surfaces like cutting boards, countertops, or bathroom fixtures can help remove stains and impart a fresh scent. The natural oils in the peel act as a gentle abrasive, making it effective for scrubbing without scratching delicate surfaces. Additionally, placing orange peels in areas prone to odors, such as the refrigerator or garbage can, can help neutralize unpleasant smells, leaving behind a refreshing citrus fragrance. To illustrate the effectiveness of orange peels as a cleaner, consider a simple experiment. Set up 2 identical surfaces, one treated with a commercial all-purpose cleaner and the other with an orange peel-infused vinegar solution. After applying the cleaners and allowing them to sit for a few minutes, scrub both surfaces with a cloth. The results may surprise you. The orange peel-infused cleaner, with its natural oils and acidity, may prove just as effective, if not more so, at removing grime and leaving a fresh scent. This experiment not only highlights the cleaning prowess of orange peels, but also encourages a shift in perspective regarding what constitutes effective cleaning. In conclusion, the surprising power of orange peels as natural cleaners is a revelation worth embracing. By opting for this simple, eco-friendly alternative, we can avoid the harmful chemicals often found in commercial products and contribute to a healthier environment. The unique properties of orange peels, rich in D-limonene and antibacterial qualities, make them a formidable opponent against dirt and grime. Moreover, the ease with which we can incorporate orange peels into our cleaning routines, whether through infusions or direct application, makes it accessible for everyone. As we become more aware of the impact our choices have on the environment, using natural cleaning solutions like orange peels is an empowering step toward sustainability. Not only do we benefit from cleaner, fresher spaces, but we also play a part in reducing plastic waste and chemical pollution. In a world where small changes can lead to significant outcomes, the power of orange peels serves as a reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions are found in the simplest of places. So, the next time you enjoy a juicy orange, think twice before tossing the peel. Instead, let it serve as a natural cleaner, transforming your home while respecting the planet.